This right here is the ALLPOWERS R2500, and today I'm going to be testing to see if a unit like this is useful for living off-grid and full-time on the road like we do. And at the end of this video, we're going to be testing its 30 amp plug to see if it can power our massive RV rig. Kind of hard to find like a lot of sun in the woods here, but that is such a cool solar panel. I'm gonna go ahead and go through some specs before we actually test the unit. The battery has a 2016 watt-hour capacity, 2500 watt Pure Sine Wave Inverter, and that inverter has a 4000 watt peak. 4 ways you can charge: AC, solar, auto, generator, double AC, and solar. The unit is made with long life PO4 batteries, and you can get about 3500 cycles out of that. Since I'm a cinematographer and a filmmaker, I could find some things that this unit would come in handy for. So I think it's time to take this thing and test it in a cinematography application. Okay, so the theme here is obviously a little sci-fi themed. It's going to be with a unicycle, an electric unicycle, which I have been dying for one for so long. I don't have one, but I'm going to pretend I have one in this picture. Since we don't have a lot of space indoors, I'm able to set up outdoors here. I've got that light, a fluorescent light right there, LED light up there, and another LED light right there. This unit comes in very handy for situations like this. In film, you never know how long you're gonna be out on set, so having a battery bank with extremely long-lasting battery life is super valuable. 94%. It says we're drawing about 83 watts. And it says we should be able to last 18 hours with the amount we're drawing. A GH5 right there hooked to my iPhone, so I'm able to monitor, take pictures through here. Doing this all myself, one-man crew. Okay, so we've been using the battery unit for about 3 hours, I would say, and it is down to 82%, 16 hours left on it. This thing was awesome. It was able to power everything we needed here, plenty of outlets. I give this a great rating. All right guys, welcome to the climax of this video. We're going to be testing the ALLPOWERS 30 amp plug on our massive bus conversion. We're currently at a truck stop right now. So we have the ALLPOWERS 400 watt solar panel set up right here. This comes as an option for purchase with the battery bank. I would actually recommend getting a solar panel for something like this big battery unit. You don't always have instant access to power unless you're plugged in. Being able to charge a large battery bank like this is useful if you have a solar panel, because it just requires a lot of power to charge a unit like this. It's currently 5:08, so the sun is more at a setting stage. When I first hooked it up, it was like getting 330 watts. We're going to plug this in and see if it can power our massive bus. Okay guys, so I've got 800 watts coming in. It's charging the batteries. I've got it set right now to draw a max of 8 amps. Now this battery bank has a 20 amp max output. I am going to now set it to 15. Okay, it's now set to 15 amps and we have a 1500 watt draw from it now. It's still charging the battery, so this is pretty impressive. The ALLPOWERS battery bank has pretty low percentage right now, but when it was charged to like 90%, we tested it, and with a 1500 watt draw, it could like last for about an hour. To give you a perspective, that would be like plugging in a toaster into the battery bank and being able to run it for an hour straight. Now I'm going to test its max amp output. We will now put in 20 amps. It is still charging our bus batteries. It wavers between like 1980 to 2000 watts. Not only is it charging the batteries, but it's also powering all of the lights inside the motorhome. It's running our fridge. So this thing is performing very well, I must say. Okay, so after testing the ALLPOWERS R2500 with the 400 watt solar panel, we'd definitely give this a good rating. For living off-grid or living a lifestyle like we do, I would definitely recommend this unit as a great backup power supply for home or RV. I tested this product in a cinematography application, which worked out to be very useful. If you'd like to see more of my work, I have my YouTube channel linked in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. If you're interested in purchasing this product yourself, the link is in the video description. And something special to give back to you guys is that there is a Bus Life coupon code that you can use at your purchase to save some extra money. If you have any more questions about the product itself, leave a comment in the section below. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and click the bell if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.